Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. I am Rona Najwa binti Mat Zaid with metric number S70654. So now I'm going to present my individual assignment for Accounting Information System ACT 3513. First of all, we need to key in all the data that have been given into the Microsoft Access. Now we will answer for question A. So the question is, for which items are there at least 100 units in quantity on hand? First, we will need to go to create, choose for query design, and then for these tables, you take inventory tables, then you edit, close, then for the first row, you need to take the item ID. For the second row, choose description, and third row, choose quantity on hand. It said that it must be at least 100 units. So, for the third row, for the criteria column, and then you need to put greater than equals 100. Then, you click on the right side. Then you will get the answer for question A. Let's move to the question B. So from question B, what were the item numbers, price and quantity of each item sold on invoice number 103? So what are we going to do is, first of all, we need to create and choose query design, choose for the sales inventory table, and then edit. For the first column, just need to put invoice. Second column, put the item ID, and the third column, put the quantity, and the fourth column, put the sell price. Okay, so now what are we gonna do is, the question asks for the invoice on number 103 only. So go to the column first, which is filled with invoice, make it 103 on the criteria row, and then click on the right. So this is the answer for the question B. Okay, now let's move to the next question, which is question C. So question C asks for, which customers made purchases from Martinez? So now what are we gonna do is create and then choose query design, and just customer, add, and then close it. Then for the first column, just put the customer name. Oh, forget something. Another table, which is table sales. If it doesn't have sales, how can we get customer? Okay, so for this customer, the second row, second column, choose sales person. Okay, then totals, so it will be, the totals will be grouped by. So in the question asks for Martinez only. So we put Martinez in the criteria row of the sales column. And then we click right. So this is the answer for question C. Now let's move to the next question, which is question D. List invoice, sale date, salesperson, customer name, and amounts for invoices whose amount is more than $1,500. Sort the amounts from the largest to the smallest. So go to create and then choose query design, and then choose the sales and customer tables. Then for the first column, just take a sales date for sales. Second column, take for the salesperson, and the third column, choose the customer name, and the fourth column, choose the amount of sales. So we need the totals. So for the criteria, we put more than 1,500, and then go to the right. So we will get like this. And this one says that from largest to smallest. Okay, from largest to smallest. So yeah, now we will get the answer for question D. For question E, you guys just need to as the similar before create, and then take query design. Then you take for sales inventory tables, and sales tables. Then make it like how I've shown in the screen, and then you just need to click on run as always. So that's the answer for question E. For question F, you guys can use like always, go to create and then for redesign, then follow the text that I have been given in the screen, which is we have 3 tables: inventory, sales inventory, and sales tables. So this part, you guys can follow just like how I have in the screen, and then just click run. Then you will get the answer for question F. So next question is question G. So in this question G, you need to have 3 tables, just like question F: inventory, sales inventory, and sales. So for this question, it's just the same as question F, but it's different for this EXPR1. So I will give you later. And after that, just click run, and you will get the answer for question G. Okay, so for question hash, you just need to have sales table only. Then for the first column, put the sales date. Then for the second column, put the formula. I'll show the formula in the screen later. Then just take the totals, and then put the criteria, then change the total for the second column into expression and run. So you will get the answer for question hash. So for question I, we just need to have the customer tables only because we just know the state for the customer. So first column we put the state, and second column we put the customer name. So in first column for the criteria, we put AZ as the state for the customer. Then there's nothing else to do, and then you just click run as always, and there is it, the answer for question I. Okay, so for question J, what you need to do is just put the just take the customer tables, and then for first column make it states, and the second column is build the formula. I will give the formula later, and then just click run as always. Okay, do you get the answer for question J? Okay, so for question K, what you just need to do is just take the sales tables, and then for the first column you just put the sales percent, and then second column you put an amount for sales, then change it to into sum, and then for the sort change it to descending, then just run. Then you will get the answer for question K. Okay, so for the last question, which is question L, what you need to do is take two tables, which is inventory tables and sales inventory tables. Then you will make it the ID item, and description, and then quantity. So here you need to change a little bit at the sort for the column 3 to ascending, and then after changing it to ascending, then what you do is just click run as always. Then you will get the answer for question L. So that's all for me. Thank you.